Okay. Hello everyone, we are Team Purple Platypus and we're presenting Transportion. So here's the problem. Environmentally conscious people want to keep track of their transportation usage to better understand how they're traveling and how their habits affect the environment. However, current solutions are just too much of a hassle. Right now, users can either use pen and paper methods or use digital apps such as Greener Mile. However, Greener Mile requires the user to actively put in what mode of transportation they're using and manually put in how long they're traveling for. So that's when Transportion comes in. When a user goes on a trip, the app will passively keep track of stats such as how far the user has traveled and how long, and etc. We take this data and present it to the user in easy-to-view graphs. We hope that by doing this, the user will be more aware of how he or she is traveling and will choose more environmentally friendly modes of transportation.
Let's take a look at our app. I'm a user who has downloaded our app and have been tracking myself for the last couple of months. When I first open the app, I'm brought into this login activity. Here, I could log in with Facebook, and since I've logged in before, it will bring me directly to the home screen. At the home screen, I could view my various modes of transportation such as car, bus, bike, or walk, and compare the metrics of either miles traveled or time spent this month. I could click on either the buttons on the legend or onto a pie chart to bring me to a detailed page of each mode. Here, I could either look at the day, week, month, or year stats for that particular mode. Similar to other apps, users could swipe and bring out the main menu to go to different screens. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. On this screen are the top 3 people who have emitted the least carbon this month. Let's take a look at this user. On this screen, you see both a total and a comparison of all the other stats for both miles traveled and time spent. Finally, you could look up any friends by going to a friends and either searching them up or clicking them, where you're brought to a similar compare page. That's it for the user experience. Thank you.
In terms of user interface, through user testing, we had 2 main problems. The first main problem was navigation. Initially, we used hyperlinks to get to different pages, and different pages gave you different options to get to other pages, and this was very confusing to the user. Therefore, to solve this problem, we used the ribbon menu. With the ribbon menu, you can get to almost any page from whatever page you are on. Our second major problem was how we displayed our data. For the compare page between the user and their friend, we initially used a bar graph. However, this was too confusing as there was too much going on visually. Therefore, our solution was to use 2 progress bars to show the comparison between a mode of transportation. Therefore, it is easier for the users to compare between them and their friend.
So here are some things we want to work on in the future. First, we want better accuracy for our app. Right now, our mode detection algorithm is pretty basic, and we want to work on it more. Secondly, we want to create more graphs so that the user can make better insights into their travel habits. Third, we want to increase gamification. So for example, we want to implement some kind of point system to facilitate more interaction between friends. And lastly, we want to allow users to learn more about better travel habits through a link to informative website.
Our main implementation challenge was how and where to store the data. In the end, we decided to store and analyze the data locally and then push the analyzed data up to Parse, a cloud server, so that it could be shared with friends.
So that's the end of our presentation. We hope you enjoyed learning about Transportion, and it will be coming to a Google Play Store near you.